once again.
Hello, so we're going to make a video comparing fluid oil extraction and doing it the normal old-fashioned way of draining the plug, opening the plug and draining it. So we're just going to do a comparison video. We've done one or two videos in the past where we've used an extraction pump and people had a lot of comments regarding it doesn't work, it doesn't pull all the oil up, it leaves at least a couple of litres. I've had all sorts of comments like that. It's not a proper job, do it the proper way, etc. But in my experience it's always worked just as well, if not better in some certain cases. So of course it's all going to depend on what car you're using and what the position of the car is. If your car is dead level, or if your car is like this, or if your car is on a slant either to one side, it's going to affect either way if you're using an extraction pump or if you're draining the plug. If your plug is on this side of your sump and you've got your car jacked on the front end, you're not going to get all the oil out either way. But in my experience, the extraction pump has always worked better, especially if it's on a car where the oil filter is on the top of the engine. It's pretty pointless jacking the car up like that. But we've got a Peugeot car here, diesel, and we're gonna put the extraction pump on it. Once I can hear the extraction pump empty, we'll open the plug and see how much oil we can get. So here we have a Peugeot 2008. It's a 1.6 HDI. We've got our extraction pump and we're going to open the bonnet, drain the oil with the extraction pump, open the nut underneath and see how much oil we pick up that's left behind. Pump is a 6.5 litre Sealy TP 69p. It's a little bit old but does the job. So here we have 1.6 HDI. We're going to pull the dipstick and we'll get the fluid extractor in there. Just get that in there properly. Then we'll pump it up. Okay, so that's working its job there away. Okay, we can see the pipe jumping around there, so it's starting to suck up air. Let's have a look. Let's give it a few more pumps, make sure. Seems like that's it. So we'll go straight under. Get our torch up under here. And we've got a see-through glass bottle here just to catch anything that comes out. Let's have a look. Not even a single drip of oil's come out. Okay, so that's proved that what I've said is right there for me. I think what we'll do now is we'll reverse this situation. I'm going to pour some oil in here, a couple of litres, and we're going to open the sump plug underneath again, drain it, then we'll put this back in and see if we can pick anything up after it's been drained from the plug. So we're going to reverse the test. So the oil that we have drained into here, we're going to empty it completely dry, so we'll know if anything comes out of this. It's definitely the oil that's come from the engine. So just empty that in here. And we'll let every last little drip come out. probably get a bit of brake cleaner on there as well, just to make sure it's all rinsed. Okay, pretty happy that that's the last bit of oil out of there. No more drips. Here we have 2 litres of oil. I'm gonna pour it in. Okay, again, we'll turn the light on there just so we can see better. We're going to open this again. We'll drain out this oil. It's amazing that we've just poured that in, haven't even started the car and it's black already. It's been a few minutes, it's still dripping, but we're going to let it sit for maybe 10 minutes or whatever until it stops dripping, and then we'll try the extraction pump. Okay, we're about done there. Last couple of drips. It's literally been 20 minutes. I don't know why it's still dripping slightly, but I think that's as far as we're going to get. We're going to continue again with this. Well, I can definitely hear it's getting something up because it's not sucking air at the minute. Okay, now we're sucking air. You can hear it slurping. And that'll do. We've definitely pulled something up. Let's have a look. And again, we're not gonna wait here forever to get the last few drips out, but basically we have got not a lot, but 100 mil or so, maybe 150 mil. So there goes that. It's just nice to see both ways around, and we'll see you on one of our next videos.